Bailey, come here.
Puppy!
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Puppy! Puppy! Puppy, stay! Sit! Roll over! Do
She'll
something!
only sit for a treat.
Bailey, stay. Good. No.
I think she's scared.
That's not a scared dog.
Come to me!
She doesn't like you.
Come here!
Look at Taylor trying to chase her. Like,
oh my god, this thing can run!
thing.
Bailey. Don't move, don't move, don't move! Don't move. I'll give you a chicken. You want a chicken? I know you like chicken. Come here.
And the dog ran.
This dog is irritating me.
You're the one chasing it.
Chocolate? I'll give you chocolate.
Chocolate.
That's not good for dogs.
I want to give someone else's dog chocolate.
Why would you give any dog chocolate?
I don't give any dog chocolate. It'll kill my puppy. Puppy.
Stupid crazy.
Gotcha.
Nice job, Bailey.
No, she's running away. No. Puppy.